Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to start affiliate marketing and earn big with Amazon, eBay, and other affiliate programs. Affiliate marketing is a type of marketing where you earn a commission by promoting someone else's product. It's a great way to make money online because you don't need to create your own product or service. Step 1. Choose a niche. The first step to starting affiliate marketing is to choose a niche. A niche is a specific topic or area that you're interested in. It's important to choose a niche that you're passionate about because you'll be creating content around that topic. You want to choose a niche that has a lot of potential customers. Step 2. Find affiliate programs. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is to find affiliate programs. Amazon Associates and eBay Partner Network are two of the largest affiliate programs in the world. You can sign up for these programs and promote their products on your website or social media channels. There are also many other affiliate programs out there, so it's important to choose ones that are relevant to your niche. You can search for affiliate programs on Google or use affiliate networks like Commission Junction or ShareASale. Step 3. Create a website. The next step is to create a website. Your website will be the hub of your affiliate marketing efforts. You can create a website using platforms like WordPress or Wix. Your website should be easy to navigate and have high-quality content that's relevant to your niche. Step 4. Create content. Once your website is set up, the next step is to create content. You want to create content that's helpful and informative for your audience. You can create blog posts, videos, or social media posts. Your content should be focused on promoting the products you're affiliated with. Step 5. Promote your content. The final step is to promote your content. You can promote your content through social media, email marketing, or paid advertising. The key is to get your content in front of as many people as possible. The more people see your content, the more potential customers you'll have. Conclusion. So, there you have it, a simple guide on how to start affiliate marketing and earn big with Amazon, eBay, and other affiliate programs. Remember, affiliate marketing takes time and effort, but if you stick with it, you can earn a substantial income. Choose a niche that you're passionate about, sign up for relevant affiliate programs, create a high-quality website and content, and promote your content to reach as many people as possible. Good luck!